Drippin' sauce, drippin' sauce, drippin' sauce, Saturday, Saturday, drippin' drip. Alright, today on Sauce Saturday, we're going to be making mayonnaise hot sauce. Alright, first you're going to need some Kraft real mayonnaise, and then you're going to need some hot sauce, Frank's hot sauce, right? So, first of all, I'm going to just take some hot sauce and put it in the bowl. Put some hot sauce in the bowl like that. And then I'm going to take the mayonnaise and then put it in the bowl like that. Once I have it in there, I'm going to take the spoon and mix it to a nice consistency. Get a little bit closer so you can see all the texturity. Absolute goodness, okay? That's a mayonnaise hot sauce. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Absolute. Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.